Good morning. Here are the latest updates in Indian politics and sports for 28 January 2025. Government reconsiders privatization strategy. The Indian government, under Prime Minister Narendra Modi, is shifting its approach from extensive privatization to revitalizing state-owned enterprises. Plans include a $1.5 billion rescue package for two public sector companies, notably helicopter operator Pawan Hans. Privatization efforts for at least 9 other state-run units have been paused due to internal opposition. This change is influenced by expectations of restored profitability and political considerations, such as resistance from employee unions and the need for support from regional allies. India expresses concerns over China's hydropower project in Tibet. India has raised significant concerns regarding China's plan to construct a massive hydropower dam in Tibet on the Yarlung-Tsangpo River. The proposed dam, said to be 3 times larger than the Three Gorges Dam, could lead to ecological disruptions and water scarcity downstream, affecting agriculture and drinking water access in India and Bangladesh. The project's location near the Indian state of Arunachal Pradesh, in a seismic zone, adds to the geopolitical tensions between the two nations. Sports news. Jasprit Bumrah honored as ICC Men's Test Cricketer of the Year. Indian fast bowler Jasprit Bumrah has been named the ICC Men's Test Cricketer of the Year for 2024. After recovering from a back injury in late 2023, Bumrah led the wicket-taking charts with 71 wickets in 13 matches. His exceptional performance included 32 wickets in the Border Gavaskar Trophy in Australia, where he was awarded Player of the Series. This accolade marks Bumrah as the first Indian cricketer to receive this honour since Virat Kohli in 2018. England names unchanged squad for crucial T20I against India. Facing a 2-0 deficit in the 5-match T20 series against India, England has announced an unchanged 11 for the must-win third T20 international in Rajkot. Despite the challenges, fast bowler Mark Wood has expressed his satisfaction with consistent selection and aims to improve accuracy while maintaining his pace. The upcoming match is crucial for England to remain competitive in the series. Smriti Mandhana named ICC Women's ODI Cricketer of the Year. Indian batter Smriti Mandhana has been honoured as the ICC Women's ODI Cricketer of the Year. Her consistent performances have been instrumental in India's successes over the past year, solidifying her reputation as one of the leading figures in women's cricket. Mohammad Shami's participation in T20I series uncertain. Indian pacer Mohammad Shami is reportedly fit, however, team management has yet to decide on his participation in the remaining T20I matches against England. The decision will be based on strategic considerations as the series progresses. Indian chess prodigies shine at Tata Steel Chess Tournament. Young Indian chess talents, including Gukesh D and Pragnanandha, continue to make their mark at the Tata Steel Chess Masters. Their impressive performances have garnered attention in the international chess community, highlighting India's growing prominence in the sport. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for future updates. Have a wonderful day ahead.